What the fuck is this website? It breaks when it's too small? Seriously? What? Your website crashes if I change the... Seriously? Seriously, Unity? Even your website is shit? Okay, so let's read it like that. I'm sorry. To our community, I'm Mark Witten, and I lead the Unity Creative... Okay, I want to start with this. I'm sorry. We should have spoken with more of you, and we should have incorporated more of your feedback before announcing our runtime fee policy. No. No. You think so? Our goal with this policy is to ensure we can continue to support your day and tomorrow and keep deeply investing in our game engine. Okay, but you should have said that before. You are what makes Unity great, that's true. And we know we need to listen, that's also true. We work hard to earn your trust. No, you are going to work hard to regain the trust of people. That's how you should phrase it. We have heard your concerns, and we are making changes in the policy we announced to address them. Our Unity personal plan will remain free, and there will be no runtime fee for games built on Unity personal. Okay, huge. We will be increasing the cap from 100,000 to 200,000, and we will remove the requirement to use the Made with Unity splash screen. Pretty big actually. Good. No game with less than 1 million in trailing 12-month revenue will be subject to the fee. Okay. For those creators on Unity Pro and Unity Enterprise, we are also making changes based on your feedback. That's good. The runtime fee policy will only apply beginning with the next LTS version of Unity. Interesting. Shipping in 2024 and beyond. Your games that are currently shipped to and the projects you are currently working on will not be included unless you choose to upgrade them to this new version of Unity. This is exactly how you should handle a change. You say, hey, this is the change that we want to make. First of all, let's discuss it. We will be applying this change to the next version, but you can upgrade if you want. It's the perfect way of doing it. Oh my god. We will make sure that you can stay on the terms applicable for the versions of Unity editor you are choosing, as long as you keep using that version. Alright. For games that are subject to the runtime fee, we are giving you a choice of either a 2.5% revenue share or the calculated amount based on the number of new people engaging with your game each month. Both of these numbers are self-reported from data you already have available. You will always be billed the lesser amount. Good. So something that is interesting is that it is actually self-reported, and because they are saying in here that it's going to begin with the next LTS version of Unity, I was thinking that maybe it was because they wanted to include a tracker of some sort. But would they include a tracker if you have to self-report? I don't know. I think it would be weird. You will always be billed the lesser amount is super cool though. We want to continue to build the best engine for creators. We truly love this industry and you are the reason why. I'd like to invite you to join me for a live fireside chat hosted by Jason today at 4 p.m. ET, 1 p.m. PT, where I will do my best to answer your questions. In the meantime, here are some more details. And there's a new update with a new page with the runtime fee and stuff, pricing updates. Okay, interesting. So I'm really interested to see what the community is going to say. That should have always been that way. Yes, exactly. I mean, why the fuck are they doing it that way? So what is Juan saying? I'm not understanding here. So basically now running a business or offering products and services over Unity is a massive risk because they offer you the better terms if they use their services. Is this not abuse of dominant position? Great way to kill off the competition. Hope they don't get away with it. Can I get a discount or custom deal on the Unity runtime fee? Developers and publishers adopting Unity services beyond the editor, such as Unity game server hosting, Vivox, Unity level play, and other Unity cloud services may be eligible for credits for the Unity runtime fee, In case game publishers may want partnership structures that more specifically meet their development and operation needs, please contact Unity to discuss a custom deal that fits your specific case. So this is really interesting. We know that we're losing people, so we are ready to make your life easier, to make your fees smaller if you're using our products or if you have specific needs. So basically, if you're big enough, maybe. I can't wait to see how it's going to change because, for example, Bargy was a Unity developer. He said that he was switching to Godot, but now with this new thingy, which is much more appealing, will it change anything? It's very hard to know, I feel like. Yes, they want you to engage with all their services. Yeah, exactly. You're going to have a better deal if you use their cloud services and stuff, so you should just do it, right? Personal is 100% free. If your games earns less than 1 million, Unity is 100% free. Fee will only apply for projects using Unity 2024 LTS. Fee is capped at 2.5% revenue. Polymarch already started supporting Godot financially. Yeah, I saw that. That's why I'm asking myself, and I'm asking you also what you think. Do you think that people are actually going to backtrack? Do you think that people are going to change their position? Lots of people have been supporting Godot, also moving to Godot, and I don't know what you think about this pricing and stuff, but it seems reasonable, to be honest, especially with what it was just a few days ago. The risk of Unity changing the terms whenever they want is still there. Yes, there's still that problem. I do agree with that. Now you know that they're capable of changing the terms in a pretty big way. I do agree. And to be honest, I don't know how you feel about this whole Unity thingy, but to be honest, I feel like it's good for developers. I'm happy for the developers that were stuck with the engine because they were working on a bigger game or they were close to release or whatever. I'm pretty sure they will feel much better with that. And in that regard, it's super cool. For the others that were in the middle of switching to Godot or another engine, I don't know what they will do. To be honest with you, as a developer, if I was using Unity and if I was in a bigger project, I would probably go back just at least to finish the current project that I'm working on. I would release my game and then I would reassess the situation and think about it more deeply. Imagine if developers didn't riot against Unity. Exactly. That's a good thing. It's also showing you that you're right. It's showing that actually raising your voice, saying that you're not okay with something can actually have an impact. Not only some people were raising their voices, but they were also leaving Unity, not using Unity anymore. The mobile developers were also removing ads from their games, from the ad system of Unity. So it's actually protesting against the changes, and it worked. Also, everyone was talking about it. We were talking about it live. Everyone on YouTube was making videos. It was crazy. Follows France's example. Yeah, exactly. You should protest. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Very, very cool. Very happy for our fellow Unity developers. Let me know what you think if I put the replay on YouTube. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let's go. I don't know if I'm going to use that, but we never know.